This RE/MAX Preferred Associates property video is presented by Lanee Scott. Move-in ready 3-2-1 with new wood floors, new carpet, new roof, fresh paint inside and out, and new vanity in both baths. Nice floor plan that offers lots of room to roam. Spacious living area with wood-burning fireplace. Great kitchen with island, dishwasher and stove to be replaced. Owner's suite has walk-in closet and private bath with new vanity. All bedrooms have large closets. Super large, fenced backyard perfect for summer barbecues. Utility room with washer and dryer hookups. This one won't last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Lanee Scott at 469-523-1863.